Hello everyone. In this video we will explain all the shortcut keys in MS Excel. Okay, all those keyboard shortcuts that we would like to use. I have just specified and categorized them. These are the categories that we have: navigation shortcut keys, okay, editing keyboard shortcut keys, formatting, cell and range, function and formulas, and other essential useful shortcut keys, okay, that we would like to use in our daily life using MS Excel. So now let's get started. Okay, the first one is that we will start from navigation keyboard shortcut keys. The control home. This is used, for example, you are working somewhere in MS Excel sheet, you would like to move back to the top, okay, to the A1 cell. So just press control plus home. So it will move you back to the A1 cell, okay, to the top. And control and the second one is control and shortcut key. This is used to move you wherever you worked at the last. It means that we have worked right now in this sheet until this cell, so it will move back from wherever you are to this cell, okay. Control and see, we have worked, I think, yeah, here we have something wherever you worked, okay. For example, I wrote something here and we are here right now. Press control and it will move us there, okay, to the last cell that we has worked. And control page up and control page down, it is used to switch between sheets, okay. Let's move to the this sheet 2, so we will press control page down. See, we came to the sheet 2. If you would like to go back previous to the sheet 1, control page down. So it was the usage of this. And control plus tab is used to switch between workbook, okay. For example, I have two files, workbooks. It is the first one and it is the second one. I would like to switch between them. Let's press control plus tab. See, we directly came to the first workbook. And control shift L is used to turn on filter, okay. For example, you would like to turn on filter on this cell, control shift L. So right now there is nothing in this cell. Let's write something, okay. So let's turn on control shift L. See, the filter has turned on and this is the filter, okay. Let's press control shift L back, turn up that. And control G, okay, the last one is control G. It means to go somewhere, to arrange or a cell. Let's press control G and we would like to move to C, for example, to F7, okay, F7 cell. Preset, we came directly to F7 cell, or you can select a range, enter the name of a range, it will move you there. So now come here to the editing keyboard shortcut keys, okay, in MS Excel, okay. The first one is control C, is used to copy a cell or a range, okay. For example, I would like to copy this shortcut, control C. And control V, the second command shortcut key is control V, to paste it somewhere. For example, I want to paste it here, control V, that has pasted here, okay. And control X is used to cut it from this area and paste somewhere else. For example, let's cut this from this area, control X, and paste it here. So that moved from that area to this area. And control Z is used for undo, okay. For example, I want to undo this, control X. See, that is undo. And control Y is used for redo, to do it again, control Y. So it has came back. It is used for redo. And F2 shortcut key is used to edit a cell. For example, I want to edit this area, press F2, so you can edit this cell, okay. See the cursor. Now shift F2, this is used to add a comment to a cell or area, okay. For example, I want to add a comment to this cell, shift F2. See, we can add a comment to this cell. So now let's use the formatting keyboard shortcut keys, okay. So first one is control B to bold it, control B, the text has bolded, okay. And control B back, control I, it is used for italic text. See, italic, control I back, normal, okay. Control U for underline, control U, see the text, the cell has underline. And control plus shift plus dollar sign is used to apply currency, okay. For example, here we have some value, control plus shift plus dollar sign, it will apply currency, RS, okay. So we can apply dollar sign also, you can change that here, okay. Currency, which one you want to apply, sorry, that is here, yes. And control plus shift plus percentage is used to apply percentage, okay. Control shift percent, so it will apply percentage on that, okay. And also if you would like to apply date, so control plus shift plus hash shortcut is used to apply date, control shift hash, so it is used to apply date on that, okay. So now let's clear all these area. These were all about formatting, okay. Now let's move to the cells and ranges. the first shortcut is Control plus Shift plus plus. Okay, it is used to enter a row or column or cell. Okay, so Control Shift plus. So you can insert cell to the right, cell down, entire row or entire column. So let's select this row. Okay, entire row. Please, okay, see a new row has added. Control Z it. Okay, and Control plus minus is used to delete a row back. Okay, for example, let's delete this row. Control plus minus. Okay, what you want to delete entire row, column, cells. Okay, I would like to delete this row. See, that row has deleted. And Control plus Shift plus Enter is used to fill an area, okay, from a value or a formula. It is used for formula, also for array of formula. Okay, but I would like to use it just for a single value in this video. Okay, let's select this area and want to fill all these cells through a value. Okay, let's move here to the formula bar. Here I will write, for example, this. Okay, 34, and press Control Shift Enter. So that has inserted in the whole area. So, and this area we have applied the date. Okay, it is why it has changed to the date. And it was Control Shift Enter. Control D, it is used to fill down, okay, from a formula or a value. For example, in this area is now value we have. If there is a formula or value, so here when you press Control D, it will fill from the above. See, and Control R is used to fill right side. Control R, if that is value or formula on the right, the left side, so it will fill that from that. And Control plus space is used to select a column. Okay, so let's select this one. Control plus space. See, the whole column has selected. And Shift plus space is used to select the row. See, the row has selected. Control A is used to select the whole sheet. Now the whole area. Okay, so let's select here. Control A, the whole sheet has selected. It was all about cells and ranges. Now let's move to functions and formulas. These keyboard shortcut keys. So the first keyboard shortcut is Shift plus F3. It will display as the functions dialog box. Shift plus F3. So it will display as which function you would like to apply. For example, let's sum. Okay, press OK, then enter the value so you can apply that. Okay, so I will not apply that now. And F2 is used to perform the previous command that you did. Whatever you did at the last, so it will perform that. Let's press F4, what we did at the last. For example, let's delete this area and press F4. Let's write something. Okay, whatever we have did at the last, so it will apply that. Okay, let's press now F4. So here F4 is not applying. So let's for example bold it. Okay, Control B, that has bolded, and here we would like to bold this also. We would like to apply that action. Okay, so we will press F4. So after pressing F4, so that action that we previously performed as applied, and this also. So now let's apply Alt plus equal. So this is used to apply sum. Okay, it will just insert as the sum function. Okay, so let's do it. Alt plus equal sign. So it will insert the sum function for us. Now let's move to other useful shortcut keys. Okay, in MS Excel. So the first one is Control F. Okay, it is used to find a specific value or text. Okay, write that and press find next or find all. Control H is used for replace. Control H, it is used for to replace a value. Replace all or just replace one or find. And Control V, P for printing. Okay, it is used for printing. Control S to save this workbook. Okay, Control N to take a new workbook. Okay, Control N, it will open a new file. And Control O, it you would like to open a new file from your hard drive. And Control W to close this workbook, and Alt plus F4 to close the Excel. Like Alt plus F4, it will close the Excel. Would you like to save it or not? So it was all about these essential keyboard shortcut keys in MS Excel, and we categorize them and we explain them one by one. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like the video and comment down. Thanks for watching.